From time to time, you may get a check returned to you because of insufficient funds, closed accounts, or a variety of other reasons. It's unfortunate, but it happens to everyone. Here's how you'll record those in MoneyMinder. If you don't already have one, add a category to your budget called NSF/return checks. Leave the budget in and budget out values at 0, so it won't impact the rest of your budget. To do this, click on the budget icon in the toolbar. Then click Add Category. Type in NSF/return checks. Then click Save. Now you're ready to record the return check. Click back on the banking icon. Then click New Withdrawal under the bank account the check was returned from. Let's say your bank sent back a $50 check that your group got as a donation. You recorded that check as a deposit when you received it, but now you have a return check on your bank statement for $50, and there's probably a bank fee as well. In this example, we'll say our bank's fee is $35. To record this correctly, we first need to enter the bounced check into MoneyMinder. Type NSF in the check number/reference field. For the date, put the date when the charge showed up on your bank statement. Write the person's name who wrote the check in the Paid To field. Enter the amount of the check. In our example, it's $50. Pick NSF/return checks from the category drop-down menu. Remember, if you don't have a category for this, add one. In the Details field, capture the original reason the check was written, which in our case was that it was written as a donation. Now, click Save and New. If you did find yourself hit with a bank fee, we need to record that too. Because you just clicked Save and New, you should have a blank withdrawal screen in front of you now. In the check number/reference field, add NSF. Put in the date that the fee showed up on your bank statement. For the Paid To field, put in the name of the bank. In the amount, this is how much the fee was for. In this case, we're saying it was $35. For category, pick NSF return checks from the drop-down menu. For the Details field, enter the person's name and NSF check. That's it. Click Save and Close. Perfect. Now you've got the bounced check and the bank fee recorded. If you never recover those funds, you'll see a total of $85 for NSF/return checks. But what if you get a replacement check from that person? No worries. Then you'll simply make a deposit by going back to the banking icon and clicking New Deposit under the bank account you're putting it into. Put in the date of the check. From the category drop-down list, select NSF/return checks. In the Details field, add the person's name and Repaid NSF. Enter the amount of the check they're giving you. In our case, they're paying for the original donation and covering the bank fee. The amount will be $85. Then click Save and Close. Now, the category you made for NSF/return checks will show a net of $0. $85 in and $85 out. What we like best about doing it this way is that you don't have to know what the NSF check was paying for, just when it was returned or when it was repaid. It also makes it very clear just how big of a problem return checks are in your organization. If you were to allocate the NSF to donations, that information is essentially lost, or at the very best, difficult to identify. To get more help on this or other topics, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos, or visit our Help Center by clicking on the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing MoneyMinder.